Greetings from Obi Nnukwu Chineke. Today is Tuesday, 1st of October, 2024, known as Eke, a market day in Igbo land, a day of investment for improving life. You are highly blessed and empowered through the existence of the wind, water and sand to obtain ideas to modify things of the earth to be suitable with your life according to plans of the creator of the wind, water and sand, the owner of all humans and languages. Through the wind, water and sand, you will always have an idea of how to better your life and things of the world to serve humanity and lessen the suffering of humans that causes sin and crimes. Always be on good behavior to your fellow human being because the wind, water and sand monitor all the activities on earth to have a record of each of every human to avoid blacklist after death. In this October, be prosper in your work and business to support yourself and others around you. Through the wind, water and sand, you gain wisdom to better your life and serve humanity. Remember, always be kind and just to your fellow human beings. From Obi Nnukwu Chineke, the blessings of the universe, Onye Nnukwu Chineke, the messenger of the truth afterlife.